Hello everyone, welcome to Foreigner Farming in the Philippines. We've done a partial little corn harvest here. Getting some chicken and pig feed. The ears of corn weren't as big this time because with all the problems with the Azolla, we weren't watering them that much, and it's really been wet, it's really been raining, so they weren't getting the fertilizer from the Azolla water. So the ears of corn this time are about half as big as what they were last time. If that, some of these are pretty small. Some are normal sized, but in that one there that Rainiel just picked up, you can see what the rats do to it. If they get to it before we do. Got to do something about the rats. I don't know exactly what we're going to do, but we'll get something figured out. We got to, what little corn we're getting, we need to make sure we end up with all of it. It doesn't look like we got a bunch anyway. We might have got 50 pounds worth here. But any little bit's better than nothing, I suppose. Thank you, everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.